In this quick tip, we're going to teach you how to save time and money by creating a preset to print your documents in only black and white. Let's say I'm going to print this African wildlife document. Normally, when I have to file and print, it's going to print this document standard, which means in full color. Well, as you know, ink is a lot of times more expensive than the printer itself. So we're going to head down and click on the Show Details button to open up an expanded options for printing. If you already see these options, you don't need to click that button. Next, we're going to head to this drop-down in the middle of our options. This drop-down normally will say Layout, but it can say other things like Safari if you're printing from Safari. We're going to click on that drop-down, and since each printer is different, you're going to need to look through these options until you find your color selection. Usually this will be in the bottom options. For this printer, it's under Printer Settings. Here, I can see my options for color, and when I click on that, I'm going to select black. Now you'll also get other options on most printers where you can select things like speed versus quality, or even some advanced options to even make your printer print out in proof mode, which will be a very high speed, low ink. Well, let's say I want to print every document this way, or a majority. It'd be a pain every time I have to print a document to go through and select this black option or any of my other settings every time I print. So what we can do is head up to this preset options. It will be set to default settings by default. You can click on that and you'll see an option that says Save Current Settings as Preset. When we click on that, it will save all the settings we've configured for the printer to this preset. What we can do is I can name this black and white, and I can set it for just this printer or all printers if all of my printers have the same configuration. Since I have a couple different printers, I'm going to save it just for this printer and hit OK. Now, let's say I hide the details so I'm back to my standard printing view and I hit cancel. Well, now when I go to print, I can easily change it from default settings to black and white. Now when I print this document, it will only print in black and white. The great thing about presets is they work in other applications as well. So let's say, for example, I'm in Safari and I'm on Wikipedia. When I go to print out this page, I can simply select the black and white preset and print this document in black and white as well. And as you see, it's automatically changed the text and the pictures will print out in black and white. I hope you enjoyed this week's quick tip, and now it will save you time and money when printing from your Mac.